Hey, yo, Jimmy, where are you? What do you mean, where am I? I step in my house, all the money's gone, they even took Tweety. Who's Tweety? It's my bird! I thought you said nobody was watching. You know I run big things around here. Jimmy, I'm coming for you next. Now listen here. If you do not meet me at the corner of 2nd Street in 20 minutes, it's gonna be your life. You understand me? Do you understand me? Yes, sir. Yes, I'll be there. I'll be there. Carter, we got a problem. Boss found out we bamboozled him. We gotta get going. We gotta get going fast. 2nd Street, hide the money. We gotta go. Hey, yo, Jim. You think this is a game, boy? You know who I am?
I'm sorry.
Straighten up. You wanna know where it is, boss? Do you? Grab him, boys. Grab him. Go ahead. What's going on here, huh? What's going on? Was, right? Right? You forgot? You're all about your little brother. Little brother Jimmy, nope. You get all big in the world. And then you think you run the place and you make me a little errand boy, your little pizza delivery guy. Not anymore. Because it was my bird first. Mama said it was for Jimmy. You got the dog. The dog wasn't enough for you. Yep, so it was easy. Got my man Big C here and Curly C, and they agreed with me. It's my bird. So here's what I'm gonna do. It's already shipped to Africa. I'm out of your hair. All right? I took all the money. Why? Because I had to get to Africa, and I gotta get a place to live, you know. But here's the thing. You're gonna stay here until I get on that plane. You understand me? And if you have any problems, Big C's gonna give you a wet willy. He's not gonna stop. He's not gonna stop. Now why? Because I run things now. Not you. Fair enough. Jimmy, you can't do this, man. Listen, man, Jimmy, don't take the bird. You can take the money. Just don't. You know Mama loved you more. Don't take Tweety, Jimmy. I'll see you in Africa.